Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to join two videos in Filmora. If you want to make a video where you have used two or more clips, pictures or videos, this video is for you. So first, open the Filmora app on your mobile device. Then simply select one video first. After I've selected one video, you can see an option or an icon of a plus button right here. Simply tap on it. From there you can bring in another video by just tapping on the video and tap on import. Now you have added two videos. You can do the same to pictures or clips as well, and it is that easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like